Hi, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to discuss about the sum of n numbers. Okay, sum of n numbers can be calculated with the help of a C program. That is the intention of our program. Here, first step is to collect the value of n from the user. Okay, assume that the user entered the value n here, n equal to 5, and initially I am assigning the value of I equal to 1 and sum equal to 0. Okay, leave this one, we will discuss last. Okay, what's the process? We have to add the numbers from 1 to 5 and store it in a variable. Okay, so sum equal to sum plus 1 in the first iteration, the value equal to 1. So sum has to be initialized first. So sum equal to 0. Okay, the sum equal to 0, and that sum value is added by the first one, because I value starts from 1 to 5. Okay, so that process starts from 1 up to 5 because the n value is 5. So initially sum equal to sum plus 1. So in this case, how much will be the value? 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So finally the value is 1. Okay. Next, what is the next step? Sum equal to, again, because the value is we can add the value up to 5. Okay. So in this case, sum equal to sum plus, again, next time what we will do? 2. So 2 in the sense 1 plus 2, which equal to what? 3. Third time, again the same procedure, sum equal to sum plus 3, which equal to 3 plus 3, which equal to 6. Okay. Next, so this value keep on increasing, 1, then 2, then 3. Next value is what? 4. Sum. That is this is a concept. So this is a concept of this one, 4, right? Which equal to sum is what? 6 plus 4, which equal to 10. Then we are verifying 1, 2, 3, 4. It not reached 5, right? So we are doing the same calculation again, because the value is up to 4 only. Now it's 5, which equal to 10 plus 5, is equal to 50. Okay, so here this value, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are keep on increasing, then only we are getting the correct result, right? So to increase this value from 1 to 5, we need a variable. So I am assigning the value of I initially as 1. Okay, I initially as 1, and I replace it, because these are dynamic. In this example it is 5, tomorrow it may be 10. Okay, and some users they will give the value or n as 15. Okay, some of them they were giving the value as 100. So whatever it may be, it should work. That is the intention of the programming. So I have to dynamically mention the value of this 1, 2 and 3 as I. Okay, so what will happen? This value should update it. Okay, so initially the I value equal to 1, so sum equal to 0, so 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. Okay, after that I have to update the value of I, right? I plus plus, or I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so what's the value of that? I equal to I plus 1. So 1 plus 1, which equal to 2. Okay, so this iteration get completed. Okay, next, the second case, sum equal to sum plus I. So what is the value of I now? 2. 1 plus 2, that equal to 3. I have to update the value of I equal to I plus 1, right? I equal to I plus 1. equal to 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. Okay, so that iteration also get completed. Then again the next case, sum equal to sum plus I, that equal to what? 3 plus 3, that equal to 6. I value is 3, so that value is added by the previous value of sum plus 3, 6. Then I am updating the value of I by 1, okay, incrementing the value of I by 1. So previously it was 3 plus 1, now it's 4. Okay, next iteration is I equal to sum plus I. Okay, sum equal to previously 6 plus previous value of I is 4, 10, and after that I am updating the value of I by 1, so 4 plus 1, that equal to 5. Okay, then that iteration also completed. Then sum equal to sum plus I, sum equal to sum plus I in the sense previously it was 10, 10 plus I value is 5, 15. Then this is incremented by 1. Okay, that means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, again we are doing the same operation, but it should not happen because the value, once the value of I is reached to n, then we have to stop the process. That means if the value of I reached to 5 and 5 equal to 5, the value of n is also 5. If it reaches, then we have to stop the execution, stop the process. So this is a continuous process, so obviously we need a loop. So in our case I am using while loop for this, and if you are using while loop, then there should be a condition. So what should be the condition? The condition is the value of I should be less than 5, then only this process will execute correctly, otherwise it will execute continuously. Okay, if you are not giving any if you are giving a while loop without any proper conditions, then it will continuously execute. So our intention is to stop the execution once it reaches the value of I as 5. So how will we write? So before starting the process, I am verifying here. I am verifying here while I is less than or equal to, because the value of n is equal to 5 now, and we are calculating up to 5, so including 5 also we have to consider. That is why I less than or equal to 5. So what is the value of I initially? Initially I value is 1 less than 5, the condition true. Okay, so it's like this: 1 less than 5, condition true, and it comes to the true part of the program and it executes. Okay, and the second case, what is that? While I less than n, which is equal to I is incremented by 2, so 2 less than 5, condition true, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, it works. Okay, then what is next? While I less than n, what is the value of I now? 3 less than 5, doing the process, executes continuously. Okay, then while of, okay, what is the value of 5? 4 less than 5, condition true. Six plus 4, that is 10. I equal to I plus 1, 5. Again we are using the same condition. Okay, 5 less than, okay, less than or equal to, I forgot to mention that one, but here this is not applicable, but here it's applicable because 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true. Okay, the next case, again we are verifying, where to verify whether value of I is equal to 6 less than or equal to 5, condition false. Okay, in our case this condition is false, so the inner part of the program will not execute and exit the program. So this is a concept. Okay, so now we are going to write the program for this very simple program. These are all the examples of while loop. So hash include stdio.h, and we will start the program with void main. Yeah, we are writing the program with void main. After that, here I want to save the program. Some of and numbers. Okay, here void main, we collected, next step is what? As per the plan, collect the value of n from user. So write a printf statement, okay, enter the value for n. Okay, we are collecting the value from the user. Once you collect it, we will store it in the variable using the scanf statement, %d, comma, address of n. Okay, here we use a variable n, so I am declaring the value n here, int n. Okay, after that, what's the procedure? Once the value is collected, then we are using the loop there. So while I less than or equal to n, okay, that's the condition. If the condition is true, so I we are using here, so we have to mention the value of I equal to 1 here. So 1 less than or equal to 5, condition true, it comes into the while loop. Sum plus equal to I. Last class we discussed what is the meaning of this statement, sum equal to sum plus I. You can, this is a shorthand expression of this sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, then after that I have to increment the value of I by 1, so that is a procedure, right? I plus plus, I plus plus. Okay, so I would like to print the value of I and sum. Okay, sum print of sum equal to %d. So this is for our verification, right? %d sum printf. Okay. I also I have to check it out. So beautify this one, I am using /n. Okay, let me run the program. Oh, here I made a mistake. I forgot to declare the value for sum equal to initially 0. Okay. We are giving the value of 5, n value as 5, so 5. So first initially the value of okay, better we can separate this one iterations with the help of an underline. So for that, what we are doing is after this execution, printf, just mark it with a line so that we can easily differentiate the program. Okay, /n. So these are for live understanding how the program works. Okay, once you practice, then this kind of process is not required. Okay, value I ended here. Okay. Okay, I ended the /n at the beginning, that is why it looks like this. So that was the difference. So if I put at the end, you can feel the difference like this. Okay, the value of 5. Okay, now it looks fine. Okay, now we are going to cross verify the program. Okay, here initially we are collecting the value, so that process is completed. 5 we collected, so n value equal to 5, sum equal to 0, I equal to 1, and verifying what's the value of sum. Initially 1, I is initially I is incremented by 2, 1, so you are getting the value 2 here. Then again sum equal to 3, I is incremented by 1, so 3. Again sum equal to 6, I is incremented by 1, 4. Then I is 2 less than 5, so this condition, sum equal to 3 and I equal to 3, then sum equal to 6, I equal to 4, then here sum equal to 10, I equal to 5, then this condition also gets true, so sum equal to 15, I equal to 6. Okay, so this is second process. Hope you are clear about this program. If you have any doubt, we will discuss. Okay, thank you.